Hi, and welcome to HongKongBeverage.com. Every week, we're gonna show you how to make a perfect cocktail. Impress your friends with HongKongBeverage.com. Alright guys, now we're gonna make a whiskey sour, which is a really refreshing drink as well. Which now we're gonna use a dark and a little bit heavy spirit, which is bourbon. We're gonna use Woodford Reserve. You can use any bourbon of your preference as well. You can find it in hkbeverage.com as well. Remember, so for it, we're gonna use, for the ingredients, we're gonna use bourbon, simple syrup, Angostura bitters, 1 egg, and then fresh lemon juice. Alright? So we're gonna start with our bourbon. We're gonna put 45 ml of it. We're gonna add half of an ounce of simple syrup. Then we're gonna add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And then we're gonna add our egg white. And remember, we're gonna do our dry shake first. We're gonna do it for about 15 seconds. Then we're gonna add some ice on it. And then we'll do our wet shake. Put some ice in our rocks glass. And we're gonna strain it. Into our rocks glass. We're gonna add our Angostura bitters on top. And we can add a lime wheel in it for a better presentation. Cheers, enjoy.